Hello, Tom from Every Step Calculus, everystepphysics.com. The difference quotient, which is the definition of derivative, invented supposedly by Newton, 1680. Very difficult unless you studied for a week, and who has time for that, okay? So you use my programs. You buy my programs and use them to pass calculus. Very simple. College is expensive. These should be a couple $100, but they're very cheap. Here's difference quotient here. Show you the formula. Everything that you need to do a problem and get your points on your test. To enter anything in these entry lines here, you have to press alpha, and the problem is going to be alpha 2 times x divided by, parentheses, always use parentheses, x minus 1. I always show you what you've entered. You can change it if you want. I say it's good. And we're going to wait for the program to load because this is the first time I'm using this program on this simulator. But after it's loaded in your calculator, it comes up very quickly. You can do several problems, any kind of problems you want. So here's the function. Here's the formula. I'm going to enter x plus h for every x in this function and then subtract the original function. Like this. You're going to use quotation marks around the x plus h, okay, instead of the, parentheses instead of the quotation marks. I have to use quotation marks because of the program. I'm substituting in here with the program, okay? And all divided by h. Here's the original function, subtracting that. We find the common denominator here. Write that on your paper. And we finish the problem here as we find the common denominator. Notice we're multiplying getting rid of the division signs here. We expand it, just like this. Here's the common denominator times the h down there in the formula also. Combine the numerator, turns out to be minus 2 times h. We divide the h out. Minus 2, the common denominator. Here's an h here. As h approaches 0, that comes out, and this denominator becomes this. And here's the answer, minus 2, x minus 1 squared. Okay, pretty neat, huh? everystepcalculus.com. Go to my site, buy my programs. You'll pass calculus. Or study it for weeks and weeks and weeks and not pass, whatever. Hey, have a good one.